Welcome to Bestsellers Market. I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into our exciting countdown of the best-selling accessories and parts products on Amazon. We've curated a list of top-notch items that are making waves and capturing the attention of savvy shoppers everywhere. So without further ado, let's jump right in and discover the must-have products that are leading the pack. Stay tuned as we count down the very best that Amazon has to offer. At number 5 on our list of top-selling accessories and parts, we present a game-changer for every driver. Fix a flat aerosol tire, repair an inflator, boasting an eco-friendly formula in a handy 16-ounce can. Imagine this. You're cruising along and suddenly, bam, a flat tire. No worries. With Fix a Flat, you've got the quickest, simplest solution at your fingertips. Just connect, inflate, and get back on the road. This product is engineered to seal small tread punctures, up to 1/4 of an inch in diameter, in mere seconds. And guess what? It now seals 33% larger punctures, continuing its legacy of reliability built over 50 years. But there's more. This isn't just about convenience. Fix a Flat's eco-friendly formula ensures safety for you, your tire, and the environment. The modern performance top replaces the old plastic cap, enhancing both eco-friendliness and ease of use. Forget the jack tools or spare tire. This is your emergency flat tire solution. Just store it in your trunk and you're ready for any roadside surprise. Remember, professional repair is recommended within 3 days or after 100 miles. Fix a Flat, your essential companion for peace of mind on the road. Let me know if you need any adjustments. Coming in at number 4 in our top 5 accessories and parts countdown is the Autown Flat Tire Repair Kit with 31 pieces. A true marvel for any tire trouble. Imagine having a tire repair solution that's not just reliable, but professional grade. This kit is crafted from refined high-quality steel, meticulously upgraded to meet rigorous standards. It's designed to tackle even the most stubborn tire problems with ease. The Autown kit doesn't just promise durability, it delivers. With exceptional adhesion, flexibility, and shock absorption, it's built to withstand the toughest repairs and ensure a perfect seal every time. Aging? Not an issue here. This kit offers longevity and resilience. Versatility is key. Whether you're dealing with a flat on your car, motorcycle, ATV, Jeep, truck, tractor, or even your lawnmower, this 31-piece repair kit has got you covered. It's an indispensable tool for drivers and mechanics alike. And let's not forget ease of use. Equipped with a T-handle and spiral probe tool, this kit makes piercing and repairing a breeze. Plus, the portable storage case ensures you can take it with you anywhere. Compact and convenient. Autown stands by its product with excellent customer service, ensuring that every customer is satisfied. Quality assurance and support are just a call away. So get ready to handle any flat tire with confidence thanks to the Autown Flat Tire Repair Kit. Feel free to tweak as needed. At number 3 on our list of best-selling accessories and parts, we introduced the tire valve stem cap cover, an essential for any vehicle owner. This 5-pack of metal valve stem caps with a striking American flag design is more than just a stylish touch. It's packed with practical features. First up, let's talk durability. Each valve stem cap features a robust metal shell paired with a plastic liner, designed to prevent corrosion. Whether you're dealing with wet conditions or cold climates, these caps are built to withstand the elements and protect your valve stems. Versatility is key. These caps are universally compatible with all American standard Schrader valve stems, making them suitable for cars, SUVs, trucks, RVs, bicycles, and motorcycles. With an inner diameter of 7 mm and a height of 13.9 mm, they fit a wide range of vehicles effortlessly. Installation, a breeze. Thanks to their sleek horizontal stripe design, Dekerkar valve stem caps can be easily hand-tightened or removed without hassle. And they're leak-proof. Each cap is equipped with a 1-piece sealing ring inside the plastic liner, effectively preventing any tire leaks that could lead to vehicle damage. But it's not all about function. These valve stem caps also bring a touch of style to your ride. Made from lightweight aluminum alloy and featuring an anodized metallic finish, they boast a laser-etched emblem that adds a fashionable flair to your vehicle. So, if you're looking to upgrade your tire valve stem caps with something that combines durability, ease of use, and a dash of style, the Dekerkar tire valve stem cap cover is your go-to choice. Let me know if you need any adjustments. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling accessories and parts on Amazon? Well, Don't let the air go out of your excitement. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you're always pumped up with the latest updates. At number 2 in our top 5 accessories and parts countdown, we unveil the CKAuto tire valve stem caps, an exceptional blend of style, durability, and function. This 4-pack of black anodized aluminum valve caps is more than just a chic accessory. It's a powerhouse of practical design. What sets these valve caps apart? It's their unique fusion of metal and plastic. While metal often rusts in the presence of moisture and oxygen, leading to unsightly corrosion, CKAuto's innovative design combines the corrosion resistance of plastic with the sleek appearance of metal. This means you get the best of both worlds, style and longevity. Crafted from high-grade, lightweight aluminum alloy, these valve caps are built to last. The anodized and powder-coated finish not only ensures maximum strength and durability, but also gives the caps a brilliant, eye-catching color, thanks to advanced anodic oxidation treatment. Installation is a breeze. The rotating thread design allows for smooth twisting on and off, making it effortless to secure or remove the caps as needed. With an inner diameter of 7 mm and an inner height of 13.8 mm, these caps are universally compatible with most cars, bicycles, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and other motor vehicles. So why choose CKAuto? These valve caps solve a common problem where materials that are ideal for aesthetics might react with valve thread materials. CKAuto has balanced performance and appearance, ensuring you get a product that not only looks great but also performs flawlessly. Elevate your vehicle's look and functionality with the CKAuto tire valve stem caps, where superior design meets unbeatable performance. Feel free to let me know if you need any changes. And finally, coming in at number 1 in our top 5 accessories and parts countdown is the AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, a game-changing tool for any vehicle owner. This powerhouse of an air pump isn't just about inflating tires, it's about elevating your entire driving experience. First off, let's talk durability. AstroAI's tire inflator boasts their exclusive Tough Ultra technology. What does this mean? It means every core component, from the cylinder to the motor gears and connection rod, is crafted using advanced powder metallurgy integrated molding. This cutting-edge manufacturing process boosts durability and extends the inflator's lifespan by an impressive 30%. But that's just the beginning. This tire inflator offers programmable inflation. Simply use the M button to select your preferred pressure unit, then adjust the desired pressure with the plus and buttons. The compressor does the rest, automatically shutting off when it reaches the preset pressure. Just ensure the pressure you set is higher than your current tire pressure for optimal results. Designed with convenience in mind, this inflator's compact size means it fits effortlessly into glove compartments, seats, or trunks. It's so unobtrusive, you might forget it's there until you need it. And speaking of convenience, the digital screen allows for easy presetting with accurate readouts and 4 pressure units to choose from. No more manual monitoring. This smart device will automatically turn off once it hits your desired pressure. Nighttime emergencies? No problem. The AstroAI tire inflator comes equipped with a backlit screen and an integrated flashlight. The independent LED button makes operating the flashlight a breeze, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Whether it's for your car, bicycle, balloons, or any other inflatables, the AstroAI tire inflator is an indispensable tool, making it the top pick for our countdown. It's not just a product, it's a reliable companion for every journey. Let me know if there's anything you'd like to adjust. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling accessories and parts on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we talked about today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.